Sa video na ito, we're going to answer a certain claim from a former quote-unquote pastor who became an atheist, especially dito sa kanyang mga remarks. Anyway, ang point ng nag-comment sa kanya ay may kinalaman sa pagdating ni Kristo Jesus. Kasi sabi, ang Diyos hindi nagpapakita. We are talking about God the Father here. Pero yung anak ng Diyos nagpakita na noon. Dapat yun ang focus niya. Kaso nagpunta siya sa kanyang accusation, hindi pala accusation, objection against the Bible being contradictory daw. Tingnan nyo, pakinggan yung kanyang sinabi. Kung talagang sinagot ba niya yung naturang remark.
Sabi dito, ang Diyos hindi nagpapakita, pero yung anak ng Diyos nagpapakita. Alam nyo, ang Bible, punong-puno ng contradiction or pagkakasalungatan ng bawat salita o diwa. Yan ay malinaw na malinaw. Hindi mapapasubalian ang aking sinasabi.
Sinabi mo lang yun. Opinion mo lang yun. Alam mo, sir, let's be frank here. Talaga bang contradictory yun? Talaga bang full of contradiction ba? Kasi una, in order to know if something is a contradiction, i-define mo muna kung ano ba yung pagkakasalungatang sinasabi mo. Quite simply, ako na mismo magbigay sa'yo ng meaning para at least aware po kayo. Quite simply, a contradiction occurs when one statement that is said to be true contradicts another statement that is also said to be true. Kumbaga, A is not equal to another A, kumbaga, parang ganun nga, no? Hopefully, correct po tayo dun. Anyway, when both statements are referring to the same thing. So, ganun siya. So, I will ask you, when you said that the Bible is full of contradiction, what do you mean by that? Paano mo nasabi na ang Biblia raw ay madaming contradiction? Sana napanood mo at pag-isagot naman. At saka, dito tayo ulit. Paano ba masasabing masolve yung Bible contradictions daw, no? Solving alleged Bible contradictions is basically simple. The first thing you do is to read the context. Kaya gusto ko tang itanong, you claim to be former pastor, right? And I think you are aware on the Bible passages that you have read before. Did you ever read those Bible passages based on its proper context? Lalo na sa mga preachings mo noon? Anyway, by far, the majority of supposed Bible contradictions are not a problem when context is examined. Ito ha. Lala, former pastor daw siya. Kaya gusto ko siyang itanong at this point, ito. Ang sinabi ng nagkomento ay may kinalaman sa, so to speak, kay Kristo na bumaba sa lupa. Right? Yun ang focus. Pero, bakit ka napunta naman sa issue concerning so-called Bible contradictions? I would like to know.
Yan ay talagang totoo at tama.
Yes. But, if atheism, yes, according to his own opinion. Okay? Just according to his opinion. Not according to facts.
At ang Bible, napakadami niyang apologies.
Spell, apologies. What do you mean by that?
Ibig sabihin ng apologies, tagapagpaliwanag or tagapagtanggol ng mga statement na nababasa ng tao mula sa Biblia.
Oh, cut it out, sir. Cut it out. Wait lang, di ba pagka may mga nagko-quotes to, di ba may nagko-quote din sa'yo ng mga Bible verses, di ba? So, if I will use the same argument of yours, so apologist ka na rin pala. Wait lang. Saan ka ba talaga nakafocus? Sa nag-comment ba sa'yo? about the divine Son of God who became man? Alam mo kasi, sir, ipinpoint lang natin, ha? Kung tinutukoy mo dyan ay yung mga sinasabing textual variants, it doesn't even prove your point here. Actually, yung kontrahan na tinutukoy mo, actually complementary. Hindi talaga contradictory. I hope you could read this one. Okay? Kasi isa pa, kung tinutukoy mo ay may kinalaman sa textual variants, well, hindi po yun nakaka-apekto sa Christian doctrines eh. Like God exists, like Jesus had risen from the dead, like God is a Trinity. So, ito diba, malamang mayroong mga atheists na magsasabi, explain how these verses do not contradict, or look, here is an error in the Bible. Yes, totoo. Aminin natin, mahirap minsan sagutin talaga yun. Pero, it's our contention that there are valuable and intellectually plausible answers to every supposed Bible contradiction and error. There are books and websites available that list all the errors in the Bible. Baka lunking up yan ng ating kaibigan yan. Most people simply get their ammunition from these places. They do not find supposed errors on their own. There are also books and websites available that refute every one of the supposed errors. Ito ewan ko lang kung interesado ba ang ating kaibigan sa sagot na ito. Sana, Ginoo, kung naririnig mo man yung tinig ko, hopefully magkaroon tayo ng interaction concerning to this matter about God exists, about if Jesus had risen from the dead, if the Bible is true, and I'm open for a dialogue for that. I hope makareply ka sa TikTok na to, o kahit sa YouTube channel na lang. And I'm waiting for your response. Anyway, yung kanyang claim na puno raw ng contradiction, ang Bible, una, hindi pa niya na-define kung ano yun. Pangalawa, ano kanyang ibig sabihin na ang Bible daw ay puno daw ng mga apologists, even though in reality, siya rin ay apologist kung gagamitin ko rin yung the same term sa kanya. And also, nung sinabi niya na kaya nga daw nahati sa 40k denominations ng Christianity dahil daw sa kontrahan daw ng Bible. Sorry hindi po Bible ang dahilan. Yung mga tao mismo ang dahilan. Okay?